have changed my life completely.
Hi, happy Diwali everyone, and today I will show you what I did on my Diwali, which is very interesting because पहले मैंने reel shot की which turned out to be really nice. Then I went to an animal shelter. They have changed my life completely. I am a completely different person now. I think differently. My perspective for life has changed. Everything is basically changed. There was a Shih Tzu that was abandoned 2 times. वो पेट नहीं करने दे रहा था, but I felt so bad for it. Then I saw a black Labrador exactly like Alina, my dog, and I cannot imagine her being abandoned. She is such loving creature. She's so clingy. She's stupidly loving. Like, she has so much love for you to give, and I cannot imagine her without us, without my dad, without a home. There were so many abandoned dogs, and अर्लियर आई यूज़ टू थिंक दैट मैं बड़ी हो जाऊँगी तो मैं लैब्राडोर लूँगी, गोल्डन रिट्रीवर लूँगी, ये लूँगी, वो लूँगी, डैचसन लूँगी, छोटू सा. एंड बट नाउ आई फील लाइक आई वुड रियली वॉन्ट टू गो एंड अडॉप्ट एनी dog or cat from a shelter which is abandoned. I really want to do it so badly. There was this कुल्फ़ी नाम था शायद उसका. He was so cute and he was so welcoming. I will put this video अभी इसके just बाद. And he was so welcoming. He was doing like this. He was very clingy. मेरे को उठाओ. And then there was this dog. I don't remember अभी किसी के नाम के पैर का amputation हो गया था. And then he was lifting up his leg to show कि मेरे को पैर में चोट लगी थी, अभी मैं ठीक हूँ और something. And he was just shivering ऐसे प्यार में that मेरे को बस उठा लो. And I could not control myself and I had to pet it in my hands. फिर मैंने उसको pet किया. Then there was this cat Shadow. She was so cute. वो अपना हाथ अपने केज से बाहर निकाल कर ही सोती थी somehow ताकि उसको लोग pet करें. So मैंने उसको ऐसे tickle किया and then she came and her eyes were so pretty. They were it was like उसके आँखों में पटाखे थे. उसकी आँखों में there was something entirely different. It was another universe जहाँ पे मैं उसकी आँखों में देख सकती थी. And there was another white cat and उसका एक साइड का फेस ख़राब हो गया था, मैगट्स लग गए थे उसको, बहुत था, उसका बोन दिख रहा था. इट वॉज रियली हॉरिबल बट शी वॉज ऑल्सो सो स्वीट. एंड उसकी काइमेरिज्म था, उसको बोथ द आइज वर डिफरेंट. देन देयर वॉज अ कैट विच वॉज इलेक्ट्रोक्यूटेड एंड शी वॉज क्राइंग. आई लिटरली सॉ उसकी आंखों में आंसू एंड आई कुड नॉट, आई कैन नॉट, आई जस्ट कैन नॉट. उसके बाद देयर वर टू टाइनी, एटम से भी टाइनी क्यूटी कैट्स, किटन्स जो कि पैरालाइज हो गई थी एंड वो अभी वापस से कभी चल नहीं पाएंगी. देन देयर वॉज दिस डॉग जिसके गले में किसी ने पटाखे जला दिए थे एंड उसका फ्लैश बाहर आ गया था. इट वॉज सो हॉरिबल. हाउ कैन समबडी डू दैट? लाइक ह्यूमैनिटी किधर है? देन देयर वॉज दिस Doberman which was abandoned and just he was so sweet and cute. Just imagine a Doberman being sweet to you. Then this dog was in so much pain. There were sections of paralyzed and neurological deficient dogs. So this dog had rickets and 5 other diseases. So अभी adoption के लिए है ही नहीं. They will just take care of him forever now. Then this dog had न्यूरोलॉजिकल प्रॉब्लम्स. सो वो कैसे भी घूमता था, उसका सिर कैसे भी जाता था. सो दिस गाइज गेव हिम अ नाइस फ्लफी बेड ताकि वो जब भी साइड हो पलटे तो उसको चोट नहीं लगे. सी हाउ ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू जस्ट गेट comfortable, or I don't know what he is doing. He's just sad. Then this dog was, I don't know why, for some reason very traumatized, but still so sweet. Then this is Krishna. Krishna was the cutest. He's so cute. His eyes are so pretty. Chotu baby. Then there was this doggy जिसके जो ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट में आ गया था एंड उसके दोनों पीछे के पैर एम्पुटेट करने पड़े. बट ही वॉज सो क्यूट. ही इज़ जस्ट, I just wanted to adopt him. That's it that I can say right now. He was so cute. This doggy had severe wounds on his body. He was injured. Then he was sad. He was trying to walk, but he could not. This cat is blind, and then he climbs up and climbs down on his own. Then this dog had some neurological problem. The pit bull was abandoned. इसका नाम वेद था शायद एंड देव था एंड ही वाज सो स्वीट. This Shih Tzu was, I mean, I don't know what to say. He was so cute and sad. He was abandoned and he just was crying and was looking for somebody to give him love. He was craving love so much. You could see it in his eyes how much pain it carries, how much depth of the pain it has. Then this dog's jaw broke and he's aggressive now, but he's fine actually. Here are some dogs, and this is a infected dog. This Labrador has has thyroid infection, and that is why uske owner ne usko abandon kar diya, because apparently they could not take care of him, and now he's on medications here. So basically he's fine now. So what I would really request right now to you guys is, please do visit a shelter. If you're living in Pune, I will really recommend you visiting to Sahas, because I went there and they have such good facility. Coolers हैं, कहीं से इतनी smell नहीं आ रही. Everything is really clean. Potty नहीं है कहीं, poops नहीं है. Everything is really clean, tidy, and everything is so nice and organized. You will love it and your life will completely change after visiting a shelter. So yeah, enough of the yapping. So yeah, that was it for the vlog of my animal shelter. I'll see you again and I really hope you go and see the shelter. But तब तक आप ये देखो. बालों का तेरे में हाय क्लिप हो गया, चांद से भी ज्यादा सोना मुखड़ा तेरा, हाय देखते ही दिल ये स्लिप. न जानू मैं न जाने वो, आहा जवान ने जाने मन, हसीन दिल रुबा, मिले तो दिल जवान निसार हो गया. Haha. So anyways, I will get going after this. I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. And after that I returned back to my hostel. हम बीच में रास्ता भी भटक गए थे, and then we had to like detour for half an hour. This was my outfit. This is my mom's kurta. And so yeah, I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye.